Hey everybody, McCandless Truck Center here. It's a cold morning. Showing -6 this morning, about 8 inches of snow. One of our most common issues we have when it's cold like this, batteries are dead. So let's see if this truck here fires up after sitting outside overnight. Not been running for a little while. Luckily this vehicle has a kill switch. So let's see how she does. Yeah, she's dead. So what do we do in these scenarios? We have here a good old by Van Air Startall 10,000 amp jump box. Connected to a ground. This vehicle here has a jump stud, so we'll connect to there. We'll turn it on. And start up our vehicle. Guys, these are available at all McCandless Truck Center locations, Colorado, Wyoming, and Nevada. Stop in and see us. Get your vehicle back up on the road.